guys. So, were you waiting for this tense and to get all the clarity about how to use it and why to use it and what are the certain errors that you are committing while you are making sentences of past continuous? Now here in this video you'll get to know why we are using past continuous, what is the purpose, and what are certain errors that you make and how to rectify them. So let's get started. So past continuous is a tense that helps you to say something that was going on in the past. So can it be any time? Is it okay if I say that is it okay if I just say this much? Ram was thinking about a new idea. Grammatically, the sentence is absolutely correct. But if we talk about the information the sentence is giving, is it complete? Is it giving you an idea about when the activity was going on? No, it is certainly not providing a clarity of vision. So here, if I'll write only this much, so grammatical logic is correct, but informatively it's still incomplete. So how can we complete this? I do have to mention time. Now past continuous has, or I can say needs, either of the three situations. So let me help you out with the three situations. So first is, Ram was thinking about a new idea during lunch, or I can say at lunch, or Ram was thinking about a new idea when I called him. You can try the third one. You can have a wild guess what could be the third situation and check with mine. Ram was thinking about a new idea when I was making notes. So if you observe the three sentences, you would come to know that Ram was thinking about a new idea is stagnant in all the three sentences. लेकिन पीछे के जो पार्ट्स है सेंटेंस के वो हमने चेंज किए हैं. So यहाँ पे I would like you guys to guess what are these. So can I say that at lunch represents time? I called him. Which tense is this? Yes, it is past simple. And what about this? Yes, it is the tense in which we are currently. So there are three situations that help us to complete our sentence of past continuous. Now you can use either of the three to complete what you are willing to convey. Right? So the first is time. Either you can use past continuous with time, or with simple past, or with past continuous. Let us further see how they go with each of the pronouns. Let's take a verb, and let's take a verb, say to write. So I was writing. We were writing, as it's plural. You were writing. He was writing. She was writing. It was writing. And they were writing. Now, if you remember the reason why we are using was, if you remember why we are using was and were, yes, to represent the past effect, to represent the past tense, and the ing form stays as it is. So if I write one sentence taking the use of the verb that we have written, so he was writing a poem at 10 o'clock. If you observe this sentence, or if we take any of the three sentences, three situations, that he was writing a poem when I entered, or he was writing a poem when I was talking to him. So all these situations are there. But what do you understand by this simple sentence? It means that when I am willing to say something that was going on in the past, but it was just temporary, just for few seconds or that very moment, what activity was going on, जब मुझे ये कन्वे करना है कि वो एक सेकेंड पे क्या एक्टिविटी हो रही थी, ये कन्वे करने के लिए पास्ट की एक्टिविटी के बारे में I'll be using past continuous. So it's just a temporary situation that I'm pointing out to, which was done in the past. So I think now you are clear with the concept of using past continuous, the situation why we are using past continuous, and how we have to use past continuous. If you just say that he was writing a poem, that's it, full stop, so it is informatively incomplete. So you need to complete the sentence either with a time, or with simple past, or with past continuous. Let us see the question form and the negative form. So this is a sentence. I would like you guys to change this into a question and a negative. You can pause the video and go ahead and try converting this sentence into question and negative. So let's make it. So he was writing a poem at 10 o'clock. So I have the verb was over here, with the help of which I can convert the sentence into question. So I can say that, was he writing actually? So was he writing a poem at 10? Or when I came? Or when I was talking to him? Okay, so let's try the negative form. He was not writing a poem at 10. He was not writing. So, isn't it simple? Very simple. So, I think that basically हम सबको आता ही है कि past continuous tense कैसे use करते हैं. सिर्फ कभी कभी शायद हम भूल जाते होंगे कि कौन से सिनेरियो को पास्ट कंटिन्यूस सपोर्ट करता है, कैसे वो सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करना है. सो आई थिंक नाउ आपको ये पूरा कंसेप्ट अब आपको एकदम दिमाग में फिक्स हो गया होगा. एंड नाउ whenever you are wanting to put forth a situation like this, definitely you'll be using this tense correctly. Let us see few mistakes that you make while doing past continuous. And I would like you guys to spot them and make a note and spot how many errors did I commit. Okay, so here I have written 3 sentences and I would like you guys to spot the errors. You can pause the video and look into my sentences and try and spot the errors, make a note of them. Okay, so first sentence, they was singing at the party. So do we use was with the plural? No, we don't. Hence, this is wrong. So what is the correct form? We will be using were because we have they, which is plural. If we talk about Sham was, no, we are not just pointing out Sham, we are also including Ram in this. So we have 2 nouns, Ram and Sham, and hence this becomes plural nouns, and so we'll be using were again. What about here? Oops, I missed the helping verb, the to be form of the verb, so I need to add that. Right? So did you get all of them correct? Very smart. Great. So I think that now, henceforth, whenever you'll be using this tense, you will never ever make any errors.